What's up, guys? Today taking a look at how to install this subwoofer mod. First thing you're going to want to install is this. We're going to click on the 64-bit, install it, reboot the computer, wait for that, and then we're going to come back over here, copy the mod itself to our Beam. Once you place that in there, we can go ahead, close all that out. And then we're going to type system down here, and then we're going to click on system, and then we're going to click on sound. And then we're going to scroll down to advanced options, click on that, and then we're going to go ahead and whatever browser you're using, you're going to select what I just did there and there. You're going to close this out. You're going to click the little speaker. This is going to pop up. You're going to click recording. You're going to click the cable, and then you're going to click there. And now we're going to click listen. You're going to check mark that box, click apply, click OK. We're going to click OK again, and you are now done. If you're looking to play your own music on your computer or Spotify, stuff on the computer here, and we're going to go to that, and then we're going to click on that. But first, before we do that, these settings here, sub gain, bass, middle, treb, you got to have them up. Then we're going to go over here to that little box, and we're going to click all settings, and then we're going to go to system. Then we're going to click on sound. We're going to scroll down and we're going to click advanced option. Now in here, you don't see media player or Spotify or nothing, but you will. So let's play that song with media player, and let's bring cable VB up. So you could see nothing happen there, but now you could see Windows Media Player. So whatever you're using, you're going to set these settings to whatever application. Now let's play it. Now you can see it playing. Alright, so now you're going to click parts, bed accessory, and we're going to go with the full bed of speakers. And before I forget, the other thing you're going to do is launch this. Without this, you're not going to get any sound. So you can drag, extend it, and you control the sub, bass, middle, treble. And I'm just messing here, and this is actually what's going to drive your speakers. So if you drop the gate, you got some amps here. Another place you can go ahead and tune is in tuning. So hit escape and then hit tuning, and you can see here you can adjust the travel of your sub, your driver, whatever you want to call it, and also the volume. Now watch the truck. So we could scroll to another song, and this song, it wasn't recorded as hot. So if something's not recorded as hot, you're not going to get that truck to bounce. If you don't go into that tuning setting and tune the travel on the subs and the volume, you're not going to get it to, jump around either. So let's check this one out. So everything is set here, but you're not going to see it really bump because it wasn't recorded hot. And if you bump that up, it still doesn't move that much. Alright, so let's take a look at another song here. So now you can see this one's really bouncing. I didn't touch nothing in the game, nothing in the settings. The birdies in the back of the bar with 3 other suckers trying to get in the drawers. 2 seconds later, had my fist to his jaw, cause by 1 in the morning I'd be fucking them up. Fucking them up. Fucking them up. So there you go. Spotify, anything you want to play, that's the way you set it up. You have to have it active in order for it to show up right there.